this is one more interesting component that we try to put it here. Uh, See, basically it allows you to sort data, um, and you can also sort by price high to low. You can do pagination. You can do a lot of stuff here. Uh, this is an interesting component. So if you look at the source code, this looks pretty straightforward. There is only one JSON, and there doesn't seem to be much dependency. I wanted to grab these images. The way you can get these images, either you can download from the web, or the easy way to do it is copy this whole URL here. Take this path, hit enter. You can just go and save the images like that. So I've already done it. I have downloaded all these images, 1 to book 1 to book 12, and where I've copied those images under src images folder. That's the first thing that we need to do. Second is this whole JSON product data.json I've copied into JSON's folder under JS. I've just renamed it as the product data4.json, and the path also I've modified a little bit. Rather than having it images slash list view slash book one, I've just made it slash images book one. So it just makes it a life a little bit easier. So that part has been done. Remember the JSON file name has got changed. I've added a new HTML page. That's this page, comp7. This is the comp7 page. So let us begin with what we need to do. You start off with this template, define ECC utils and everything. Once you copy this template, you modify this 5 to 7 and modify this 5 to 7, like it will be comp7 view model and comp5 view model in comp7.js. That's exactly what I've done. This is the copy paste of the main source code that we need to do from Jet Cookbook into this one. Here you go. Otherwise it's plain vanilla simple skeleton code. So now you look at this require block, which is not required, we need define, and you start all the way from knockout and end till paging control. You have done that. Copy the whole thing. Similarly, you copy the function block input parameters starting from knockout all the way till number converter. One thing that I've learned is if at all you mess up here while copying and pasting, right? If you say don't copy a particular parameter or move it up and down, you might face some issues later on. So just follow the documentation here and copy and paste as it is given here. Once you have done that, the actual copy starts from here, the source code part. Copy all the way from here till this block. That's exactly what I've done. In case if you see an error, right, you might need to comment a closing flower bracket. So sometimes it happens like with copy pasting, you might put an additional flower bracket that you need to go and comment it. So the copy paste has happened. I've done that. what next should I do? Let me see, where is my JSON getting invoked? Okay, so the JSON is getting invoked in HTML. So copy all the way from here, div to div, copy it and paste it. Cool. But the question is, where is the JSON? Okay, this is important. The JSON is in this particular path. You see, there is slight modification I did. It's not JSON slash product data 4.js, but it has to be JS slash uh, JSON slash product data 4.json. Once you're done that, you have to rebuild this, and after rebuilding, it is in Jet you rebuild by using ojet build, the one that I have done here, and after that it is ojet serve. Once you've done both that, that's pretty much it. You have list view sort filter. This is pretty handy and very useful thing. In fact, what we will see in later chapters is um, this JSON can be dynamic. This URL, right? This could be coming actually from a database or from a remote file system. That's exactly what we will see in our next exercise. And thanks for watching. Keep watching. Thank you.